Hello, and welcome to another Sophia Polk Realty luxury listing. I am so excited to introduce you to 9910 Ontario Lane here in Dallas, Texas. This completely remodeled one-story has 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths, a 2-car garage, and a very large yard. The open floor plan is convenient for entertaining. The large island and open breakfast and family room make it perfect for any family. This modern transitional property has gone through a complete remodel. There's been a master bedroom, master bath, and a 2-car garage added onto this property. The entire home has been retextured, repainted, new nailed-down hand-scraped hardwood floors, an island that is amazing. Granite, marble backsplash, appliances, barn doors, you name it, this property has it. Upon entry of this charming one-story, you will see new tile at the porch, a gorgeous new glass and wood door, and here a formal living space with nailed-down woods, new LED lighting, fresh texture and paint, new windows, and so much light that comes through this room. This transitional study is situated perfectly here in this area. There are barn doors for privacy, and it's right off of the main living space. So if you wanted to be working from home, you could be open or you could be private with the doors closed. Check out this very open living room space. This is wide open to the kitchen and the dining room areas. One thing very unique is that there are 2 outdoor courtyards, one in the front and one in the back. There are double doors that open up to both of these spaces. The front courtyard has new tile and a horizontal fence, which adds for a little bit more of a modern touch. The backyard has double doors and opens up to a giant grassy backyard. This home has amazing entertaining spaces indoors and outdoors. Check out this stunning kitchen. The homeowner has installed a massive island with soft gray tones in the colors. It matches beautifully with the Carrara marble backsplash. The homeowner has also installed new cabinets with soft closed drawers, new modern hardware, stainless steel appliances, a new sink and faucet, new windows, a refrigerator, and also LED lighting. This master suite is absolutely magnificent. It measures over 17 by 22 feet. There are double doors that go out to the outdoor patio, and a master bath that is absolutely breathtaking. There's seamless glass, double shower heads, a freestanding bathtub, and all new modern colors. On the other wing of this house are 2 large bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Each bathroom has been updated with decorative tile and stone countertops. Nailed-down wood floors flow throughout the hallway and each of these bedrooms. New windows throughout the property also add extra insulation. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you would like to view the 3D floor plan or other information about 9910 Ontario Lane, please visit sophiapolk.com. If you would like to view a Sophia Polk Realty listing, click here. If you would like to view a neighborhood we specialize in, click here. And to subscribe and stay updated, click on the circle below. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.